My name is Craven from BlueSky Video Marketing. We're a video marketing agency that uses video to help people sell more. So from a very early stage, I was looking at a system that could give me a dashboard that was very easy to refer to, so we could, prioritize the activity that mattered. So we were able to log inquiries as they came in, and then establish what the appropriate follow-up was going to be for that inquiry, and make sure that the limited time and resource that we had available was going to be used in the best way. Obviously, as we got busier, the system really came into its own then, because you've less time to be looking back at exactly at all your inquiry databases and things. So the functionality within the Flowlens system of allowing us to categorize each inquiry, log the inquiry source, log the type of business that it was, allowed us to build all those elements into our dashboard, so that a very quick glance allows us to see exactly what's working and how well for us at any point in time. The main advantage for me in the system is the noise reduction element of it. I step through the system quite logically, and the first thing I look at is the inquiry database, and every morning, and see where are we sitting with inquiries this month. Are we on target? What can we do to generate the inquiries? Where are our inquiries coming from? And how do we generate more from those areas? Then that follows through into the sales leads element of it, where we're checking what jobs have we quoted on, what requires follow-up, what are the next actions that we need to do. And at that point we're referring to the tasks that we've set up, which includes the commentary on all the projects that we've quoted, records the communications we've had with those people, as well as notes for ourselves on exactly what should be the next course of action. This wouldn't be my first experience using a CRM system, and previously I suppose there's a temptation to try and overload it with all additional features and bells and whistles that it can do. The system as it comes out of the box does exactly what we need it to do from a CRM point of view. As the team has started to grow here, that helps, because in terms of bringing on new people and getting them to adopt the system easily, it's intuitive, and as a result you get people adopting and using the system early, which is what you want to achieve. As we move into the next 2 or 3 years, we've got big plans for where we want to take the agency. One of the first things we had to do there was establish whether the targets we were going to set ourselves were achievable, what sectors we should be focusing on, what kind of business we should be chasing. And without the Flowlens system, that process would have taken an awful lot longer and been a lot harder to get to the answer. But because we had all that information sitting from a very early stage, it was a simple matter of running reports, going back through all the data that was there, and that allows us to plot the future a lot more easily than would otherwise have been the case.